Namaste and welcome to day 3 of Mindful 30 journey, and today's practice is about stability. Yes, I know it's already just the third day and I'm talking about stability already. Well, it's not about being very stable in asanas or any fancy posture in today's practice, but thinking of what is stability for you in life. What is stability the word feels for you? Are you feeling comfortable with the word stability? Are you feeling uncomfortable with it? All those questions, try to see what it is for you and try to embrace that. Accept that feeling rather than fighting it or changing it towards how society prefers it to be like. Yes, with that, I want you to get started with sitting. Relax shoulders and chest, keeping your eyes closed. I want you to observe how you're breathing this morning. How is your inhalation making you feel? And how is your exhalation making you feel? Join your palms at heart center. And let's chant Om sound together. Inhale. Today, I will try to find stability with my emotions. Today, I will try to find stability with my feelings. Today, I will try to find stability with people I'm surrounded with and the energy I am filled with. Gently relax your hands. Slowly take your time to open your eyes. My agenda for today's practice is to challenge you and put you in the spot. And you have to try your best to hang in with me. Yes, let's do this. We're going to start with coming into tabletop, all fours position. Okay, your wrist, shoulders in one line, knees and hips in one line. From here, just curl your toes and lift up those knees just a little bit off the floor so it becomes parallel to the floor. Keep the weight slightly ahead, engage your core and just stay. Find that breath for you. Breathe. I feel completely stable here. My body is helping me in this process and I feel grateful towards my body. My mind is helping me in this process by being strong and positive. Slowly release. Yes, let's do this one more time. Inhale, lift up, fire up, and stay. Imagine if someone's sitting on your back, you have to be the strongest chair for them, the most stable chair for them. Yes, you should be reliable. Breathe through it, enjoy it, find your source of joy, and relax. Good. We're going to just warm up our wrists a little bit. So you're going to take your fingers facing towards you and just go back and front, back and front, back and front, back and front, back, front. Last one. Fingers towards the side. Go side, side. Shift the weight on the hands more. Yes. Good. Slowly come back center. Alright, from here, sit up on your knees, interlace your fingertips and just roll it out. Other way around. And slowly relax. From here, all I want you to do is just lie down on your back. Yes? Once you lie down on your back, find that connection with the floor. Find that how stable the Mother Earth is right now, how stable your floor is right now. Drawing inspiration from the stability, you're going to take both the legs up. From here, you're going to bend both the knees into 90 degree, keeping the hips and the knees in one line. So don't let the knee come towards you. It's easy. Push it away. Yes, further away. And keep your hands on the belly. And don't let your back arch. Keep your back neutral. Keep your chin down. Breathe. You're doing awesome. You can choose to stay here or you can add your hands here like this. Okay? From your watch. It's a lot of coordination and breathing involved in this. So you're going to just move your left leg and right hand opposite direction. Straight without touching the floor. And then come up. Whew, we call this the dead bug. You're going to take your left hand and right leg this time. Don't let your left knee come towards you. Keep the left knee away from you. Yes, and come up. Yes, keep that core engaged. Beautiful. Opposite hand, opposite leg. Try to find your time in this and figure it out for yourself. Coordination. Yes. Good. Keep that heel up. Keep that left heel up. Both the heels up. Don't touch the floor. Nice. Nice and strong. Beautiful smile. Find your source of joy in what you're doing. And let that energy keep you going in this journey. Let's do it. 10 and back. 9. As you find the coordination, you can go slower than my pace. No need to rush. Yes. Okay, sometimes you might lose a little bit of coordination. So slow down when you do and go back at 2. Yes. Last 3. Whew. Last 2. Last 1. Oh my god. This is so amazing. Stay here, stay here. You're doing amazing. Just stay, breathe. Whew. Push the floor away from you. Push the sky further away from you. Whew. Almost there. And release. That was really good. Tell yourself, good job. That was really nice. Never hesitate from complimenting yourself. I mean, we should not wait for anyone in this universe to compliment us. Be your own cheerleader, okay? All right. Now that you feel your legs worked up, you feel your core engaged, let's put into use, okay? All you have to do is slowly come up, fully sit down. Yes, into a full sit-up, and then slowly go back. Yes, but try not to take any momentum, no jerks, no jhatkas, okay? Let's do this together. Inhale. You can slide your legs slightly ahead like this when you come up and slide your legs back. It helps. Okay, now that you feel your core is already engaged from the previous dead bug practice, let's do this a little faster. 10, back. 9, if you want to add a challenge, you can keep your heels off the floor. 8, good. 7, 6, keep it controlled, keep it very relaxed as you're doing it. Like, it should feel like the person watching you do this should feel like you're not making any effort. It's just effortless for you. But inside, you feel that work happening. So it's just your expression and body language. Last 2. Woo. Last 1. And relax, lie down. Ooh, that was so good. Breathe. Alright, you're going to just take your knees to chest, cross your knees, and just take a momentum to come up. Take your hands ahead and push your knees back. We're going to come into plank. Now you can choose to be with knees down or without the knees down. Your choice. All you have to do is shoulder taps here. So you're going to take your legs slightly apart, hip width apart, shoulders over the wrist, and tap your right shoulder from your left hand, left shoulder from your right hand. Okay, in this, don't move your hips too much. Avoid it as much as you can. A little bit is fine. Let's do this. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. You can keep your knee down if you're tired. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly release the knees down. Close your eyes and just breathe. Tell yourself you are so strong, you're so amazing. You actually are. You don't need to fake it. Believe in it. Believe in every word that you speak. You'll see your heart rate is spiked up. Give it some time to breathe naturally. A little gentle smile. Enjoy the process. You just work so hard and well. Alright, I'm going to make you do a little bit of strength practice here. So all you have to do is pushing down into dolphin push-ups, but in a modified way. So you're going to place your elbows on the floor. You can keep the palms together or away, but don't let your elbows be too wide. Elbows are inside. From here, you're going to lift up your knees, and knees can be slightly bent, that's okay. And from here, you're going to go ahead and try to touch your head on the floor or interlock your fingers and try to kiss the thumb. Whichever is good for you, go for it. Okay, let's get ready. Let's do 20, 20, 19, 18. I am stable. I am strong. I am worthy. And I am stronger. Every minute that I am doing this, I'm getting stronger. And I am loving this process. I'm in love with the journey. Not striving for any perfection, but only progress. Progress from where I was a minute back. That's amazing. Last 5. Good. 4. Good. 3, 2, and 1. Slowly release. This is amazing. Woo! So good. Just breathe. Make sure your face muscles are relaxed. Relax all those teeny tiny muscles in the face. Spread them with the joy of happiness and love and care. Okay, what we can do is you can try to just hold the elbow plank here. This is your option 1. And option 2 is going for the whole dolphin push-ups again with me if you're not tired yet. Let's do this. 1, 2, good, with a smile, enjoy it. 4, you can go slower than my speed. You don't have to go as fast as I am going. It's your choice. Yes, you do your version of stability. You go for your version of strength. You go your version of you right now. Yes. Go last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly release. Rest in child's pose and breathe. Slowly come up on your elbow. So keep your belly down on the floor. Roll your shoulders back. Take your elbow slightly ahead. Lift up your chest ahead and up. And breathe. Pull your sternum further ahead. Press the palms. Stay. Let that belly movement of breathing make you feel more relaxed and settled into this posture. Press the left palm and lift up the left elbow, look back. And release. Press the right palm, lift up the right elbow, look back. Look back from the right side and release. Press the left, look up and behind from the left and release. Press the right, lift up the elbow, look back on the right, release. Now press both the palms without sliding. Lift up the elbow as much as you can. Don't fully extend it, just a little bit. And now pull your chest ahead. Pull your chest ahead by pressing the palms and release. Relax your face and just breathe. Slowly come back to center. Push yourself back up. And from here, slowly lie down on the spine, keeping your eyes closed, body relaxed. It's okay if you have thoughts coming and going. Don't worry about it. Just stay still as much as you can and invite that stability, not just on the mat, but beyond the mat. Thank you so much for practicing with me, and I hope you have a wonderful day ahead.